All right, people, quick little shop update. Set up the scaffold, started running some EMT conduit throughout the shop, pulling wire, so on and so forth. So I ran the lights, got 3 in each section, 9 total over here, 2 over here, which I'm probably gonna end up ordering another 2 lights. Moving one over to the far right, and then one to the left. And the same thing for the one in the back, moving it over to the right and that one to the left. Install some more unistrut and essentially go from there, but been running the lights, pulling wire, so on and so forth, bending pipe. Looked at a few videos on how to bend stuff, so I got this set up right here for my welding machine. I got this set up right here for a compressor. But what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna tie off right here. So I'm gonna have a plug here for a compressor. And then I'm gonna put another one. I'm gonna run it from off of that junction box, essentially, where I'm gonna add another air compressor right here with number 8. Or 40 amp, it's supposed to be 40 amp. I got 50 on there, I don't know why I did that. So that'll be that. And then I'll uncover this junction box here and have a quad there essentially as well, and I'll just run the cord from that spot to over here for the compressor, because I saw on there that they have another spot for they got a 110 spot for 110 and another one for 220. So I'll essentially hook all of this up to a plug, and then this spot right here as well. I'll hook it up to that extension cord spot where I mentioned. Clean it all up and essentially go from there. But got the wire pulled for the most part. Got to come in here another 2 days and essentially I was gonna run this all on the same circuit, but I changed my mind. So what I end up having here is number 6 ran for my another welder on this side, separate circuit. So I go from the box straight up and over to that spot over there for the welder. I essentially close this one off, won't do anything to that. And then I run some more conduit, some of that 1 inch right there from the box. One spot will be for a welder, and then this spot right here be for plasma cutter. So I have a spot for plasma cutter, hypertherm, I believe 65, I think it's between 20 to 65 amps. And then I have a spot right here to hook up a computer, whatever I need. And then I got a spot over here for a refrigerator. Typically, I don't like to hook up the fridge to GFCI. I mean, you can do what you want to do, but and then I got these exhaust fans right here, switches for them. Fan right here. So if I close the shop, I did the math, it's probably about 6 minutes of time for it to essentially suck out all of the air. So have that one right there. You got another one right here. So it's coming along slowly but surely. I'll probably be operating out of here for another few months or so, and then what I'll end up doing is building a bigger shop in the front. Got an exhaust fan down there as well. So I use this as a makeshift paint booth for now. And then over here, I could do all the custom fab stuff or whatever, because I'll have a spot right there for a welding machine. I have a spot right there for a compressor and another compressor potentially. But what I might end up doing is putting the compressor in the corner. I thought about enclosing it, but I don't mind the noise much. But if the noise becomes a nuisance, I'll end up closing it off, and we'll go from there. And then essentially I'll run a air line or air hose to that side over there. You know, I'll have my little setup for filtration and water separator and all that good stuff. But so once I finish pulling all this wire, I'll come in here and hose it all down, clean it all up, because I've been spraying for spiders and everything else. So I mean, that's pretty much it. So yeah, just be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.